The North Goa Principal District and Sessions Court has cancelled the bail granted to Israeli national Atala in the drugs case, which was originally granted in August 2025. While granting bail to Atala in August 2025, the court had observed that the case in NDPS and another case for attempt to murder should commence simultaneously, which was challenged by the Goa government before the High Court, and the High Court had directed Atala to file fresh bail application before the Principal District and Sessions Court and had directed the lower court to consider the bail application afresh. After hearing both the defense and prosecution side, the court has now not only cancelled the old bail granted to Atala but has also rejected his fresh bail application. The court has observed that Atala has concealed his criminal past, which is valid ground for cancellation of bail and rejecting his fresh bail application. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.